students, welcome back to the fifth episode of Learning Python Programming. Every one of you created amazing maps of your favorite places after our last video. We have got some great minds associated with us. For today's lesson, let's learn how the input functions work and create some interesting geometrical shapes in Python.
Hello dear students, hope you are doing well. Previously we learned goTo function and write function. In this section, let's try to understand few more functions and try to do some interesting turtle programming. Let's see an interactive programming. To make program interactive, we use input function. This function will take values as input and use that value in program. As we will be giving numbers as input, we have to use int function along with input function. In this activity, we will draw octagon shape. Here is the activity code for it. Import turtle library. Create turtle and save it in a variable t. Create num variable that can take an integer input. Use color function with green color as the parameter. Alternatively, use forward function with num variable for 8 times and left function with num variable for 7 times. Now run the code. As you can see, it is asking to give input. You have to give 45 as the input here because that is the angle for drawing octagon. And press enter to continue drawing the shape with color green. Wonderful students, you did it so well. You studied new functions in the turtle library and also did coding activities. Next you will be having a fun activity where you will draw a smiley face. Till then, happy coding.
An octagon is a quite fun geometric shape to draw. What about a nonagon or a decagon? What would be the measurement of the angles for these geometrical shapes? Do you know the measurement of these shapes? Create them in Cleverwords AI Labs and practice them thoroughly. Here is how you can log in to Cleverwords AI Labs and write your own code. Here is how you can log in to Cleverwords AI Labs and write your own code. Step 1. Visit www.ailabs.com. Step 2. Click on Click here to sign up and enter your details. Step 3. After registering, you will receive verification email. Once you verify your email, you will get the credential to log in and start creating your first Python project. Happy coding!